Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Hey man, we were hyping it up. Hey, they couldn't even hear us, bro, but we have 4 people on there. Forgot to unmute us. Yeah. Hey man, hey man, run it back real quick for all the people that didn't the only could see the plays and they hear 'em. Hey, hey, nah, no. Hey man, but yeah. Let's run it back now. We gotta talk all about the server again. Yeah, what up, bro? Hey man, hey man, wait. Say I'm sorry, bro. Lonnie just called me. He was like, "Man, I was looking at my computer, like, about to fall asleep." And you just yeah, guys. Push the stuff out. Also, you got to get in the Discord in order to know the plays. You gotta figure that out once we start talking about these plays because these plays are worth a lot of money. And if you know them and you know how to actually play them the right way, then you can make a lot of money with us, and we will all eat. But if you don't want to, uh, if you don't want to pay, you don't want to get in there, and you don't want to support it, you don't want to pay for the AI that's being customly created, that's going to give you the plays that you need, then you can't eat at the table with us. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna have to stop. Like, been eating everyone's eating, but we're paying a lot of money too. We have some of the top signals, we have some of the top media that we pay for. Upwards of $50 subscriptions a month, and so that stuff is not actually free, and we do it for you. You should get into the Discord if you want. If you want to get in the Discord, I mean, they're gonna be quality plays, and you're pretty much gonna get it for only $9 a month. Yeah. You're guaranteed. Yeah. If you're scared about making $9, then don't come in there. But if you're trying to make upwards of, like, not thousands of dollars, like some of them are making, like, the Sing's making upwards of like $1,000 this month. I'm pushing about $700, $800 this month. Troy, I know you're pushing about like probably $400 this month. Delani's just getting in there. He's gonna start pushing $300 a month. I guarantee you right off the bat. We're pushing Lonnie $300 a month. And I mean, this is how we're gonna run it. You know what I'm saying? And we have AI, so we're going to calculate to make sure that we're getting you those percents. And all it takes is for you to take your bag, watch the signals, watch what we're saying, learn in our learning section, and you're gonna do great. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, yeah, everyone's gonna no. We're doing our own trading bot. I mean, you're gonna see it, man. It's coming out on Monday, man. Yeah, yeah. He thinks it's unbelievable. He thinks this shit is unbelievable. Here for the homies, man. All right, all right, all right. We're on my play already. On my play. So we're looking at Outlook. I was saying if you can get anywhere in the $2 range, you can get anywhere. If you can get anywhere around $2, or you know, get a couple shares at $2. Wait to see if it goes to, and you can watch this podcast back because it'll help you. It'll help you. I'm gonna tell you the real insight, okay? So if you get it at $2 and you get a couple shares, if you want to build out, $200 share in this, I would say, maybe 30 shares, right? Get 30 shares at $2. And then if you're making money on the first day, get 20 more shares. If you're down on the first day, hold to wait to see on the next day if you're still falling. If you're still falling on the next day, average down again. Because then you're going to be getting down to, probably, if it worst comes to worst, you're going to be getting down to the 1-3. But that's going to be fine, because look what it did at 1-3 to 1-5. You're going to be saved. Trust me, you're going to have that resistance. You just need to make sure you're getting at that too. See, look, this stock is going to have, analysts are saying it has upside of $6. I'm saying we're going to get out at 450. Strong buy, corporate actions. This stock is biosystems, just like SNRE. SNRE did it. You know, people's mindset, this is going to do it too. This is the same thing. They want to get in on it. It's a gold rush to get in on it. $2. Saying that, you heard it. You can watch it back, and it's going to make you money. Trust me. And we'll come back on Wednesday and we'll talk about it. And I'll do it with you. OTLK. Next one. Well, I was gonna talk about Citigroup, right? Because so we just Citigroup, Citi. Yeah, because we just tried to go get a loan for a company, and Chase said no. Chase said no, and they said we need to go to someone like Citi, which is online and much more flexible. And Citi's actually giving out loans right now. So I'm speculating. Right. Okay, okay. They said no. They said no only because of the fact of the PPP, and a lot of people and a lot of businesses are getting loans right now for for like their workers, like workers comp and all this other stuff. So they have to get all this money in loans. So Chase and all them have to save their money for these businesses, so these businesses don't go down. Well, people like Citigroup need more business. So Citigroup is easily able, dude. I think they're gonna have much upside. And I mean, if you get into our Discord premium, hey, what's up, Lonnie? Hey, nah, he's here. Of course they can hear you, yes, sir. No. I'm looking at the my Discord, my Weibo right now. You can see my Weibo on the Discord right now. What I'm looking at. Yeah, Lonnie, tell him, give him a testimony on here. Tell him why they need to invest in Dub Coffee and Company and Dub Coffee or Dub Investment Group and everything that we make. All of our businesses. Tell them what Dub is about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. We're yeah. This is going. This is on YouTube right now. Yeah, they can hear you. What I'm saying is all right. Yeah, no. So we were looking at the City Group. I think this has a lot of. I think has a lot of. Look, it's an online bank. It's an online bank. They don't. Well. Also, these people have no overhead. They have to pay for no. Oh, they don't have to pay for no bathroom. They don't have to pay for none of that. Pay for, pay for the heating. I pay for heating. So I think that they have a lot of, especially since the institutionals are out. They have a whole lot of cash. I think that's upside in the next 2 months. Be a little bit. Be a little bit of a long term. Could have a little bit of a. Could have a couple dips, but it's bottomed out, and it's bottomed out. See you. Yeah. Look back a little. Our loan ain't getting taken by fucking Chase. We're gonna make money from us next couple of years. So it's in our best interest. 57, yeah, 58, 50, 57. So I mean, I'm gonna wait till around. Do you see anything around like 48? Because I mean, it could easily make another dip. Maybe even like a 52. Yeah, but I don't believe it's gonna go there though. That's the thing. It has a lot of upside, dude. Analysts are putting this at 78 and 112 as a high. So I mean, dude, if you get in this and you're sitting in this for like 2 months, medium term, you're gonna make some upside, dude. Like in the next 2 months, I would put this at an $85, $90 stock. Yeah, bro. Look at that dip, bro. Look how undervalued it is. You can get that anywhere in the 52, dude. You could be seeing easily 95, dude. 95 in the next 2 months. Look at it. Yeah, dude. Look at the very start of 2021. I would say in the next 2 months, you can get it at around $52 in the next 2 months. And I don't, and that's saying that it doesn't go down 242 before, but in the next 2 months, you can get into it. And in the next 2 months after that, you could see anywhere upwards of $90. I mean, it's too hard to really tell how the institutions are really gonna do, but this stock is just definitely gonna have a lot of upside. And I mean, if you get into it, you're gonna see the upside. I can tell you that. I can guarantee you. Like if you get in at anywhere around 52, you can get in anywhere around 40. You're gonna see some upside. Now, if you can't get in there, then you're not gonna. Then you shouldn't get in because it's too risky at 62. I can't tell you to get in. You can't get in. But if it dips again, and you can get it, and you're not gonna get it, and you're not gonna get it just. You're not gonna set a limit buy just at 52. You're gonna watch it, and you're gonna see where it's going. Because if it dips again, it's gonna be a substantial dip. But it's gonna hover around 60. It's gonna hover around 59 to 65 in the short term. Yeah, but that's saying it doesn't dip down. Because if it dips down to the 52, it's gonna consolidate at the 52 then probably. If it wants to be symmetrical. Well, yeah, because it's a big bank, dude. It's a big bank. So I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like down in the 52, then you're gonna have some upside. Can't get it in the 52 range. Don't try to play with it in the 62 or the 70 range because it's gonna take forever. You're gonna be down for upwards of 4 to 5 months until you see that $80. And at that point you're gonna be so over the stock you're gonna be tired of it. I have worn you out. So don't just go into this play without being in our Discord and seeing what we're doing with it because it's a play. It's not just a mess around stock. You have to actually have a play for it, and there's a playbook to it, and we know when it's gonna dip and we know what it's gonna finish right now. Gonna do next. All right, next one we're talking about the IVIO, man. My guy Sing. My guy Sing was in this one, man. Hyping this one up for a long time. Yeah, he was in it for a couple months, but we're about to get in it for the next run, my guy. You see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see what we're seeing, man? Nah, man, just look at the. Yeah, you're looking at the. Yep. So this is gonna be one of our quick plays this week. Looking for about a 60% take in this one. We'll talk to you about this more on Wednesday. You need to get into our Discord if you want to be part of these plays. One's gonna be a play. Sir. And then next one, T2 Biosystems. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, I see what you're saying, but yeah, this one, no, this one is definitely gonna have some upside in the medium term. Uh, I'm definitely gonna be getting in it. It's the same as all the other ones. The diagnostic, the urine, the plasma, the whole blood, the cancer, the magnetic resonance platforms, all the magnetic, the molecular, the magnetic fields. All these T2 biosystems I already made 150% off of this one in the last year. So I mean, we're looking to make another 100 to 200% turn on in the next probably 3 months. Swing though, swing it. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit to consolidate. It's gonna definitely take a bit to consolidate, but yeah, I gotta say, yeah. I mean, yeah, it filled a pretty big gap. So I'd say around the $3 range. You can get anywhere around there. I was also looking at maybe even a 288 if it wants to take a nice dip Monday. Yep, it did break through all indicators on that. Pretty sure that Monday probably 127. Check the date. 27. Saturday going into Sunday. Yeah, that's Monday. Open. Yeah, that's the Saturday. The Friday going into Saturday. Friday going into Monday. Or it dipped on. And it dipped from 244 to $2. So we could definitely see the 228, 27 tomorrow. Yes, sir. You already know. We're gonna be there. If you're not asleep. The next up, looking at the Grupo Aero. Apparently, they own a lot of Puerto Rican airports and stuff. Penn International. Uh, PAC. It's inexpensive. It's a ticker. Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna have some upside. You know, I'm looking at the 1 hour. I mean, dude, it's dipping to like the 98s. I think if we can get this anywhere in like the 80s maybe. Personally, I'm probably not gonna get in a stock like this, but this was requested by someone in our group. Yeah, definitely. Also playing the EMA 120, 150. Or 100. Or, yeah, no, 20 and 120. Pull up a one. Look. Nah, I know. Pull up a 120 and look at from 2017. Mm-hmm. 20. It just keeps following right in there. And scroll out a little bit and go to, yeah, you're on the week. Scroll out a little. And I got the art. And I mean, I think it can go right back down to it. Because I mean, look at those other runs, dude. Man, I don't think you have the 4.0 desktop for people, bro. Look at your screen versus mine. Look at your shit versus mine. Look how good the fucking lines are. Nice structure. Hmm? Yeah, you could do the EMA 10, 20, or 20. Your way down to the 92s. And you could play a long term up to 130. That's a lot of upside, dude. $40, $40 ups. I mean, dude, it's airports. It's 10 international airports. What's up, Sing? Hey, man, Sing, we were talking about IBIO earlier, man. Yeah, 10 international Puerto Rican airports. All right, but yeah, that's all mine. That's my play. And I was looking at some uranium. One of my markets I was looking. I think it's probably gonna have some upside eventually. I think uranium fuel is gonna be really big, and that's gonna be a one of the markets that I'm gonna start looking. As far as renewables, I mean that and solar. I mean solar just takes too much land space. Wind is too irreliable. So, I mean nuclear, and I mean people are agreeing. All right, Troy, you ready? All right, my guy, you're up. CSWC. Yeah, close. This WC, yeah, I believe it has a lot of upside. So I was talking about it before. Investment company specializes in financing the middle market companies, range in segments in the United States. Another one exactly like what we were talking about earlier, the City Group investment banking. Yep. I mean, we all know, recession. Lots of companies are going down. So these banks are having a lot of volatility right now, and this is very easy to swing, like Troy was. Yeah, yeah, or you can, yeah, you can do it as a passive. Yeah, 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 and this is also another income loop where you can get paid for the dividends. Yeah, grow out your portfolio. No, no, yeah, yeah. AppPoint is the Microsoft cloud provider. Sorry, yeah, hold up. Let me here. Can you say something?
Yeah, what up?
All right. AvePoint, yeah, AvePoint. All it really says is that they have a cloud. Here, let me get the. Yeah, joint sharing, products, client services, migration, backup, governance, automatic provision, insights, visualize your office device, one stop shop, management teams, data, records. Yeah, from what I already saw from what my own research, that all they do really is they move your information around and they can link it to different Microsoft accounts and do different data back backdoors. You know.
Which is huge for Microsoft. Everybody
Yeah,
knows that. Like when you go and type in your email for to sign in, say something like Excel, that email is automatically saved into a database, and that then is transferred to other programs such as Word, Google or Documents, things like that. You know what I'm saying? Like
of
that's kind of
course.
what that is,
Yeah, of course.
and it's the database behind all that,
Of course. So they
or
have
well, the cloud
lots.
based.
So they have lots outside and APXT or yeah, APXT. And I mean, I'm still sitting in it. I'll be in there for another probably a month or two.
And yeah, I say to buy that around 14.99 and below is where I like that. I like that in the $14 range. Anywhere in there is like pretty much perfect. You're gonna constantly see upside. I'm in that around like 14.5, I believe. So I mean, if it dips there, you can get it there, but I do not see it going that low. I mean, there is a bottom there at 14 point I believe it's like 14.6, 14.65 somewhere in there. There's a bottom right there, but that's before it had its little dip below the EMA 30, just like it did with the 10 as well as the 5 right here. So you can see those dips don't really last that long. So that could be the dip that I'm talking about right there. And it may not actually go below there. So right now, 14.99, 14.95 area would be a great point, and you're going to constantly see upside with this current trend going on.
Yep. And then you
All
got
right.
Gnog up.
Yep. My next one is Golden Nugget. This one I sent out a learn for this one or an alert for this one in the Discord. This one just had recent news. I forget what it was. Let me go back. I think it was a merger.
No, Golden Nugget is man cave.
And that's already happened, right? I think this is just I believe this was just a sell off then. Trying to remember
Yeah,
if I
we're
don't
in a
think anything came out on this.
yeah we're in this a sell off. That's a merger. So a Lancadia sell off right there. And then we go down. We're dipping down a little
So
bit.
oh yeah, and then this is just it's been like the
Consolidation.
last was a full week of trading sideways, which is literally just AKA consolidating. It's a long-term play. It has great potential. It's much like DraftKings. It's the same idea behind it. It's a like an app that you can download on your phone, and you go in there, and like DraftKings has like the end of the or the fourth quarter betting thing, where like you type in what you think the score is going to be, and you have a chance at winning however much money it is. It's kind of what G-Nog is, but it's actually like a casino thing. So you bet money with it and like you gamble with it at the same time. And that's for all sports, NBA, NHL, NFL. They're doing the UFC, a bunch of stuff in there, and it's and you guys saw how DraftKings took off this week and how DraftKings is what they do. This is literally the exact same thing in a way, the exact same idea. And to say it wouldn't take off and it doesn't have that upside like DraftKings does would just be stupid.
Yeah,
Because I mean, people love gambling.
definitely, definitely. Yeah, people love gambling. Anything that has to do with money, I think it's gonna make a lot more money now. People don't know what to do with all their cash, and they're too scared to spend it on things that.
Right. All right. Yeah. I like this one below 1825. So right now it's sitting at around 1850, and then it went up after hours. I like this one 1825 and below. I can go ahead and look at my average real quick. I'm down on it. I know that I'm about to be averaging down. I was gonna let it dip a little bit more, probably to around 1825, 1815 area, like I had said, and then I was gonna throw some more in there. Yeah, I'm only down 1%. My average is 18.9, 18.91 like to be exact. So I mean, I'm not down much, but I mean, if this goes down to 18.25 like I originally stated, then I'm gonna be pouncing all over this, averaging down, and at least have my 50 share built 50 shares built out in this.
All right, got the next one.
Next, yep, America. Here we go, my guy. This is the home run of the week.
Run of the
Sure. So, the premium members and the inside investors were all alerted at 99 cents for this one. Well, actually, I mean, the buy target was 99 cents. It was below 99 when I had alerted it at the time, but 99 cents was the buy target for this, and this one ran up over $2 to $2.01. And I had a sell target of anywhere between 20 to 50% to get out. This one actually ran up over 50% and went to 100% within like the same exact time period. It was just straight parabolic, and it was pretty fucking crazy to be honest. Sent out the alert at I think it was like around 1.92, 1.96 before it started to go up again, and then I told everybody to take profits, get out. We were at 100% uh, range, and we could get out of there and be happy about it. But this one, I'm gonna do a rinse and repeat on this one. I'm gonna wait for this one to consolidate. What are you doing, my guy?
I had to click on our.
I'm gonna wait for this one to go back to like 150 area. I'm hoping it comes back down is way above the EMA 5, even the EMA 10 are way down here. So I'm hoping this one consolidates and these will rise as people start buying again. But I'm hoping this one gets to around 1.5, 1.550, and I can hop back in this and then consolidate or run it back up to like 2.5, $3, and take another home run on this one this week. Actually, I'm hoping that happens. So Monday and Tuesday, I believe we're going to be consolidating a good amount, and then people are going to start hyping it up again. It's going to see some good upside, and then around Thursday, Friday, we're going to see 250 to $3 by the end of the week. Maybe come Monday next or the following week, we'll see $3, 1 to 2. But that'll be rinse and repeat for our team.
Yes, sir. Another rinse and repeat. Another 100% play. I already know y'all
How many
better be
shares do you
there. You're
buy?
not gonna know about it. You're not gonna make 100% if you're not in there and you're not following along with us and eating with us. You
What
know
was that,
what?
Lonnie? I heard Lonnie peep up in here.
How many shares do you buy? How many shares did you buy?
Last week I threw in 150, so I was sitting at about 75 shares. And I got out, and I think my total return was almost 320 something dollars. So I was sitting at about almost 500, or well, it was 475 ish, but I rounded just up to like $500 market value. So I mean, it was a quick $400 profit, easy.
God.
Yeah, my guy. But I mean, the only regret there, not throwing more. That's the only thing I can say about it. Like, if I would have thrown say $300, $400 at that shit, I would have seen over $1,000 of market value worth, and when I got out, I would have had $1,000 sit there.
Sheesh.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Plays, big plays.
Yes, sir, my guy. I mean, that's what I'm doing this
Yes,
time. That
sir.
1.5 come around, you best believe I'm throwing 500 in that hope.
Is that in the profit? In the profit screenshots?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yes, sir.
All right, and then the next thing we got for, I forget who shouted it out or who wanted us to review it, was Doge. Will, do you got anything to add about Doge today? I know you saw that shit.
Yeah, Doge did a nice run today, did a nice run today. I mean, I didn't really think. I mean, people were hooting and hollering about it. It was like 8 cents on the day. But I mean, I don't mess around with 6 to 8 cents. I'm waiting for that $1, because I mean, dude, I think it's gonna run like 20.
That $1 run.
I think it's gonna have a nice, not necessarily like a $1 run, but it's gonna be like a 20 cents run. I mean, that's how it normally works. I mean, like that's how Neo and all those other hypes have done in the last year. Same with Bitcoin and all that. So I mean, I think it's gonna be a hype run. That's what I call hype runs. You know, I say within the next like 2 months, hype run. I mean, it
I
just
mean, yeah,
depends.
2 months, but it's not gonna happen overnight.
Well, yeah, but here's the thing. It's not gonna be like it's gonna stay around 6 cents, and then it's gonna be at 26 cents tomorrow. That's how it will be though. And then it will sit at 26 cents. It'll go to like maybe 30 cents, and people will be hooting and hollering, and then it'll go to like 65 cents. Everyone's gonna be like, oh yeah, fucking rich. That's how it works every
Do we
single
know
time,
if
dude.
there was a Dogecoin commercial at the Super Bowl? Can we confirm that?
There was not. There was no Dogecoin commercial.
Okay.
There was,
'Cause
however, a DraftKings commercial. There was a DraftKings.
I'm not surprised with DraftKings. DraftKings has like literally sponsored like a bunch of people right before the Super Bowl, like Dr. Disrespect and some other people trying to get everybody to throw their money in. So
Oh yeah,
I'm not surprised.
alerted
Man, Lonnie, you
DraftKings.
like to talk about that Dr. Disrespect all the time, man.
Hey man,
And all
you know,
his
I
music.
on my computer, sometimes I throw some videos up on YouTube. Sometimes they're information and sometimes they're just entertainment. But he be doing his thing. So I
Yes, sir.
fuck in sometimes,
And then Troy, what do you got? Another one that you got?
That's all I got, my guy.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just go
Good
ahead and
talk.
give a reminder on the news for the server again to wrap it all up.
Nah, you should. You don't need to, because I mean, we already did before. I mean,
You guys
they'll see it
else
again.
talk about
They'll see it from the
Dogecoin?
start.
Everybody's talking about it.
Yeah, I mean, Dogecoin. That's what I'm saying. Don't
Any
mess
alerts or
around with
anything?
it yet. But I mean, if you do want to know about it more, you got to get in our Discord, because that's one of our premium plays, and you really just can't get you. I mean, these plays are so golden that if you're there at the right time, you're gonna make a lot of money.
So you're saying you got to be tuned in?
Yeah, you really got to be tuned in
But
for
That's
that
what I'm
Bitcoin
saying.
and stuff. I
You
mean,
gotta be active, man.
we don't got time to be talking about the Bitcoin, because I could talk about the Bitcoin for an hour right now. I could talk
We can
about.
talk about how we called Bitcoin at 17,000 instead of was going to 30,
No,
50,000.
no. We can talk about the 8,000. We can talk about the 17,000. We can talk about the 30,000. We can talk about the 40,000. But we're not gonna do all that. We're gonna talk about the real plays that we're gonna play right now. And if you really want to know about the premium plays, we're gonna be making the 1,000% like we do. Then you're gonna have to pay some premium.
Okay. Sounds like you guys might have to set up a little private premium chat, like to
Oh,
speak.
there already is, my guy.
Oh,
There it is.
okay. Please get in tune. Alerts are going crazy. Money's being made, and you're sitting in there not making anything. You
Right,
got your
you're
clothes
sitting in
dipped
there talking in the general chat. That ain't helping you out none.
You know, you guys get your toes tipped in the water. Just dive in, please.
You know what I'm saying?
Get some money.
Thank you
Listen,
all. Have a good couple days until we have our next podcast and talk about how much money we make. Make sure you get into our premium Discord and enjoy our ending commercial.
Looking for entry points using algorithms only? Some no. Get in on the action. Secure your profits today. Do you want to make a financial change in your life? Join the winning team. Dub Investing. Dub Investing is one of the most exclusive, profitable trading teams you can be a part of. Constantly analyzing, looking for entry points using algorithms only? Some no. Get in on the action. Secure your profits today. Do you want to make a financial change in your life? Join the winning team. Dub Investing.